Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wolverine Ultimate Marvel Rivals. Wolverine is a formidable brawler, excelling in close quarters combat. His primary attack delivers swift, devastating strikes with his adamantium claws. Remember, his incredible healing factor allows him to regenerate health rapidly, making him resilient in prolonged fights. Master his quick dash to engage enemies or reposition strategically, ensuring you are always in the thick of the action or safely disengaging when needed. To truly master Wolverine, focus on advanced combat tactics. Try initiating with a dash followed by a heavy attack to deliver a significant opening burst of damage. His pounce ability is excellent for ambushing unsuspecting foes, especially when dropping from above. Always look for opportunities to use the environment to your advantage, perhaps by breaking cover or creating new pathways for flanking maneuvers. These techniques will elevate your gameplay. Wolverine's ultimate ability transforms him into an unstoppable force, significantly boosting his damage output and making him incredibly resilient. The optimal time to unleash this power is when you are engaging 2 or 3 enemies, especially if they are grouped together or have low health. Coordinating your ultimate with your teammates' abilities can lead to devastating team wipes, turning the tide of any battle in your favor. Effective positioning is crucial for Wolverine's success. Always aim to engage high-priority targets first, such as enemy healers or long-range damage dealers, to disrupt their team's strategy. Stay close to the action, as his kit thrives in close-quarters combat. Remember to constantly monitor your health and ability cooldowns, ensuring you can sustain pressure and remain a threat throughout the entire match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.